Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Britannia Spencer, and for those of you who are new, welcome. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how I created this simple yet eye-catching Facebook ad using Canva. For those of you who do not know what Canva is, it is basically a designing tool that you can use for your business, educational, or personal use. If you would like a detailed tutorial on how to use Canva, please comment down below. Without further ado, let's get into today's video. So I'm in Canva, guys. Let's start our design. I had already selected our background color, and to do that there are two ways in which you can select the background colors. First off, you can go to your left at the menu panel, and down to the bottom you see background. You just select the icon and this will open up a menu of various backgrounds. So you have the option of choosing from solid background colors, for example black, or graphics, just like that. Now to undo these changes, all you have to do, you can select the undo icons or symbol right here, or you can press Ctrl+C. Now let's start our design. So first I am going to select elements on our left. It is on the menu in the menu panel. So elements, and I am going to select this image right here. It's under recently used because I recently used it, otherwise I would have searched for it. Okay, so I do not want our entire body to be showing, so I'm just going to crop just like that. I am going to reposition it by dragging the sides, and I think it's perfect just like this. Okay, now I'm going to add some text. To add text, I'm just going to click the letter T on my keyboard, and a text box will appear. Otherwise, you could select the text icon to create your text. I am now going to write what I want to write. Now this looks a bit boring. We want to add some personality to it. So what I am going to do is I am going to put everything in all caps. So I'm just going to select the text and move my cursor to the uppercase icon right here and select uppercase, and everything automatically turns into caps at once. Now it's in caps and it's still looking a bit boring. What am I going to do now? Okay, let's change the size and see. So I'm going to put this at a 43.1. No, that's not it. It's still boring. Let's move on to the font and see what we can do. I'm going to use the Playfair Display Black font. Okay, now we're getting somewhere. So okay, let's see what we can do now. So I'm going to make some changes. So I want the Facebook to be in a separate line than the 3 reasons. So I'm going to select right here, and I'm just going to push it in until I get it where I want it, and I like it right here. So perfect. I'm going to change the height, the line height between each line. So I'm just going to select this icon right here, and I'm going to put it at a 1.58. Perfect. Now it's coming together lovely. Now I'm going to add a highlighted element. I'm just going to select shapes. So to find shapes, you click on elements, and when you scroll down you should see shapes, and you should see this square. This is the square that I'm going to use. Now I want to make some adjustments to this square. So where you see these white highlighted things around the corners of the square, and on the sides you can use them to make adjustments. So you can pull out, pull in, pull up, pull down, all sorts of movements. I'm just going to reposition it to fit over Facebook page isn't. So now that that's repositioned, I'm going to change the color to white. And I'm going to put it to the back. I want the words to be on top of it. So I'm going to put it to the back. So I'm just going to click position and click backwards. Perfect. So much personality already, huh? So now I am going to highlight the word Facebook isn't, and I'm going to change just that color text to match the background color. And this is popping already. This looks amazing. So now I'm going to add a call to action. So I want the call to action to be the same font as this. So instead of, well, I can actually select T and the text box will appear. So what happens is that I don't have to search for a different font, because the last font that you always use becomes the default font whenever you select T. So I'm just going to click here, and I want some arrows. Not arrows, I don't know what to call them. Okay. Perfect. Now I'm going to resize this. I'm going to put it at 25.5. Okay, this is not looking bad. Now I am going to add a highlighted effect to it, like I did with the Facebook page isn't. So I'm just going to select another square. For this square, I'm going to put it, I want it to be behind, click here, the call to action, and I actually want it to match the color of the shirt. So I am going to select it, and I am going to go to my color palette. And what I forgot to mention was that the color palette, it brings up all of the colors that you on your page. So right at the document colors, these are all the colors that is displayed on the page. So the black for your text, the purple, this deep purple for the hair, this red for the lady's lipstick, this pink for the background color, this yellow for the shirt, and this light pink for the skin complexion, and this white for the highlighted background behind Facebook pages. So I'm just going to select the yellow. Perfect. Okay, this is looking good. I'm just going to group this to group elements or text together, or elements and text together, or vice versa. All you have to do is select an area on the page and just drag and to cover the things that you want to be grouped, and you select group. When the items are grouped, they allow them to be moved together. So perfect. So I am going to change this to lowercase. I'm not feeling it in all caps, so it's simple changing it to lowercase. You don't have to retype anything. You just click the uppercase icon and it automatically transforms the text into lowercase. And this is how you create this simple Facebook ad. So if you're like a Facebook, or if you're like a social media coach or a social media manager and you do online courses, this could be a good way for you to create an ad for your next upcoming class or session. Well, thank you guys for tuning in. thank you very much for watching. If you've made it to the end of this video, a big thank you. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video or my YouTube page to anyone who you think might enjoy this type of content. And most importantly, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload my weekly videos. Until next time, stay safe and stay blessed.